Hey everyone, and welcome to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving deep into a massive deal that's sending shockwaves through the AI world. CoreWeave, the AI hyperscaler known for its powerful infrastructure, is reportedly acquiring Weights and Biases, a leading AI developer platform, for a staggering $1.4 billion. But is this a game changer or a potential disaster? Is it a brilliant move towards creating a unified AI powerhouse, or a risky overreach that could stifle innovation? That's what we're going to unpack today. Stick around, because this is going to be interesting. Are you ready to have your mind blown about the future of AI? Let's dive in. This deal could reshape the entire landscape of AI development, and it's absolutely crucial that we understand what's at stake. So buckle up, because we're about to break down the news, the analysis, and the potential solutions. Okay, let's start with the news itself. CoreWeave, if you haven't heard, is the company that pivoted from crypto mining to become a major player in AI infrastructure, providing the raw compute power that fuels today's AI models. They've built a reputation for speed and efficiency, optimized specifically for AI workloads. Weights and Biases, on the other hand, provides a platform for AI developers to track, visualize, and optimize their models. They're the go-to tool for many leading AI labs, including OpenAI, Meta, and NVIDIA. This acquisition, expected to close in the first half of 2025, aims to create an end-to-end platform, from infrastructure to deployment, all under one roof. CoreWeave claims this will accelerate AI innovation and bring new products to market faster. Think of it as combining the muscle car with the navigation system, all to win the race. But what does this really mean? Let's dig deeper. This isn't just about two companies merging. It's about consolidating power in the AI space. It's about controlling the entire pipeline, from the hardware that runs the models to the software that builds them. The question is, will this concentrated power benefit everyone, or just a select few? Now, let's get into the analysis. CoreWeave's argument is compelling. By integrating Weights and Biases, they can offer a seamless, optimized experience for AI developers. This means faster training times, better model performance, and ultimately, quicker innovation. They're essentially building a one-stop shop for AI development. One key aspect to consider is the concept of MLOps, machine learning operations. MLOps is the set of practices that aims to automate and streamline the machine learning lifecycle, from data preparation to model deployment and monitoring. Weights and Biases is a key player in the MLOps space, and its integration with CoreWeave's infrastructure could significantly improve the efficiency of AI development workflows. Another important term is LLMOps, large language model operations. LLMOps is a specialization of MLOps focused on the unique challenges of deploying and managing large language models. Given the increasing importance of LLMs, this is a crucial area for CoreWeave to focus on. The acquisition also touches upon the concept of AI hyperscaling. CoreWeave positions itself as an AI hyperscaler, differentiating itself from traditional cloud providers by focusing specifically on the high-performance requirements of AI workloads. This specialization allows them to optimize their infrastructure and software for AI, potentially offering significant advantages over general-purpose cloud platforms. A relevant research paper here is Hidden Technical Debt in Machine Learning Systems by Scully et al., 2015. This paper highlights the importance of robust engineering practices in machine learning, which aligns with the goals of MLOps and the potential benefits of the CoreWeave Weights and Biases integration. However, there are potential downsides. One concern is vendor lock-in. By relying on a single provider for both infrastructure and development tools, customers could become increasingly dependent on CoreWeave, limiting their flexibility and potentially leading to higher costs in the long run. Another concern is the impact on open source. Weights and Biases has traditionally been a supporter of open source tools and frameworks. It remains to be seen whether CoreWeave will continue to embrace this philosophy, or whether they will prioritize their proprietary solutions. This acquisition could be a double-edged sword. While it offers the potential for greater efficiency and innovation, it also raises concerns about competition, vendor lock-in, and the future of open source and AI. This deal isn't without its controversies, and that's where things get really interesting. On one side, you have the proponents who argue that this acquisition will democratize AI, making it more accessible to smaller companies and research labs that lack the resources to build their own infrastructure and development platforms. They believe that CoreWeave's scale and expertise will drive down costs and accelerate innovation for everyone. They argue that this will lead to a more diverse and vibrant AI ecosystem. On the other side, you have the skeptics who worry that this acquisition will concentrate too much power in the hands of a single company. They fear that CoreWeave will use its dominance to stifle competition, raise prices, and control the direction of AI development. They argue that this could lead to a less innovative and more monopolistic AI landscape. So who's right? Well, the truth is probably somewhere in the middle. There are definitely potential benefits to this acquisition, but there are also real risks. To truly understand the impact, we need to look at the data. We need to track key metrics like the cost of AI development, the diversity of AI models, and the number of new AI startups. We need to see whether CoreWeave is actually delivering on its promise of accelerating innovation and democratizing access to AI. One way to verify this is through A/B testing. CoreWeave could offer different tiers of service, with varying levels of integration between its infrastructure and weights and biases. By comparing the performance of AI models developed using these different tiers, they could objectively measure the impact of the acquisition. Another approach is to conduct user surveys. By gathering feedback from AI developers who are using the combined platform, we can gain valuable insights into their experience and identify any potential issues or concerns. Ultimately, the success of this acquisition will depend on whether CoreWeave can balance its desire for profit with its responsibility to foster a healthy and competitive AI ecosystem. It's a tightrope walk, and the stakes are incredibly high. So what does all of this mean for the future of AI? Well, if CoreWeave succeeds in integrating weights and biases, we could see a new era of AI development, characterized by faster innovation, lower costs, and greater accessibility. This could lead to breakthroughs in areas like healthcare, education, and climate change. Imagine AI models that can diagnose diseases earlier, personalize education for every student, and develop new solutions to combat climate change. However, if CoreWeave fails to address the concerns about competition, vendor lock-in, and open source, we could see a more fragmented and less innovative AI landscape. This could lead to slower progress in AI and a concentration of power in the hands of a few large companies. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial that regulators pay close attention to this acquisition and its impact on the AI ecosystem. They need to ensure that CoreWeave doesn't abuse its market power and that competition remains healthy. It's also important that the open-source community continues to develop alternative tools and platforms, providing developers with choices and preventing vendor lock-in. Ultimately, the future of AI depends on all of us. We need to be informed, engaged, and willing to hold companies like CoreWeave accountable. So what do you think? Is this acquisition a brilliant move or a risky gamble? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. Thanks for watching.